Let's meet the Piko Plus. Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Stefan, and this is the Piko Plus. This is a 4K UHD, not one but two cameras. This is a very interesting, cool camera. Also comes with this cool Panda magnetic cover for your lenses, because you have not one but, like I said, two cameras. Let me show you. This is the Piko Plus. Huge thanks to the EMEET marketing team for sent this product for a review. So let's talk about this interesting 4K 30 frames camera. It's an AI camera. So I'm going to show you what this camera can do. Let's start the video now. And now let's see what accessories are included when you buy the Piko Plus. You get the Type-C to Type-C cable, but don't worry, you're gonna get in the box as well a Type-C to Type-A adapter. So regardless of your machine, you're covered. Also, you're gonna get a camera mount for desktop or a laptop. I believe in some regions you don't get that, you get a small tripod, but I think the camera mount is great that they include that in the box. Also, they include a cover lens protector for your lenses, for your camera. This is amazing, so cute. I think this is an amazing thing that they added in the box. I think adds some fun factor of this camera. It's a very small camera, but yeah, the lens cover is very nice. Last but not least, you get the Piko Plus. Comes in three colors: black, white and green, but the cover lens is just so cool. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Piko Plus has not one but two cameras, dual camera A powered. The main camera is 4K with 30 frames per second with an 1.2/55 Sony sensor, delivers ultra sharp image quality, and the second AI assist camera helps with things like autofocus and facial recognition. We have quite a lot of interesting settings that you can tweak, you can change, but overall this is the video quality of the 4K 30 frames per second. You can change the resolution to 1080p 60 or 2K as well, but I think 4K looks very, very nice. The colors are very nice, they're very sharp. Also, again, you can have some different presets, but this is straight from the box. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? And now let's have a look at the companion app of the Piko Plus, the EMEET Studio app that is available for Windows and Mac as well. So we're gonna go through some of the interesting settings of the Piko Plus software. So it's a plug and play software. So once you download it, you're gonna see your camera, you're gonna see the software. So let's have a look now what you can do with this interesting software. Now, once you open the software, you're gonna see a few options. So you have assistance, you have effect, and you have control. On the assistance tab, you can do quite a lot with the focus. You can choose the focus to focus on your face, specific area on the screen, or to focus in the middle of the screen. Also, you can obviously switch the focus as well. Underneath here, you have quite interesting options for the presets. We have default, all your normal presets that comes with any web camera. Because I'm recording right now, here you can change the resolution of the video quality. You can go up to 1080p 60 frames per second or 4K 30 frames per second. So 4K obviously is going to be much better resolution. Now let's move to effects. On the effects tab, you can change the brightness, you can change the saturation, so you can pretty much tweak the video quality. If you're not happy with the sharpness of the camera, you can tweak that as well. Also, control, you can change the microphone. So you have three options for the microphone. Obviously, you have live, noise cancelling, and assist as well. So at the moment it's on the noise cancelling option, which I think is all right at the moment. Let me know in the comments down below. There's no any noise at the moment. Only my computer fan is on. You can change to live. This is the live option and acoustic. But yeah, pretty much you can do that. This is the black light saturation, so you can play with that as well. But yeah, I'm gonna switch this off. But overall, the software is very easy to use, and yeah, I like it. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think, guys? So what do I think about the Piko Plus? Well, I think it's a great camera, brings quite a lot of interesting, cool features. But the feature that stood out to me is the focuses so quickly, so rapidly. I never used a web camera that focuses so quickly, especially with the price range. Currently recording today's video, the camera is 69-70 pounds, sometimes goes for 79 pounds, sometimes go less than that, around 60 pounds, 69 pounds. So it's going to be linked in the descriptions down below. I'm going to leave the main website and also the Amazon link if you decide to purchase this camera. But yeah, I'm very surprised in a good way. Packs are very cool features, and I know sometimes people are a little bit skeptical about the AI, and now everything is AI, but actually the second camera works very, very well. The video quality is sharp, it's very good, and the software actually packs quite a lot of cool features. You have 3 microphones. I know the sound quality is not like a studio quality, but for quick meeting, I think brings quite a lot of cool features. But yeah, like I said earlier, the focus just blew me away. And this camera is fun. I think brings this fun factor when you use it, especially with this lens cover, with this Panda. I think it's nice, fun, and again the price is around 69-70 pounds. But overall, I am very, very surprised in a good way. And yeah, definitely I recommend this camera for the price, for the features. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the EMEET Piko Plus? I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment sections down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.